Hi, I recently received my order of guitar strings and picks, and I wanted to make a quick video of it. The package arrived with the store's branded tape, and inside I found a surprise gift, a souvenir mug with the store's logo. They send such to bloggers who order from the store. Quite a nice touch. I ordered some Kerly Kues strings based on a recommendation from one of my subscribers, so I decided to try them out. By the way, my guitar still has the factory strings on it. Maybe I'll make a separate video on this topic and compare the factory strings with these ones. I also got some Ernie bowl strings, which are known for being a quality standard. I purchased two different gauges, 942 and 1046, but I'm not sure which one I'll prefer, so I'll try both and see which feels better. Ernie bowl also offers a unique gauge of 9.5 to 44, which I might try if I have trouble deciding. In addition to the strings, I ordered a variety of different picks to experiment with. They come in different shapes, sizes and thicknesses, and I'm always looking for the perfect pick to use. Some of the picks were recommended by other bloggers, such as these small jazz picks. Others I wanted to try myself. For example, these thick ones, and these with the thin form look very interesting to me. I also received some free advertising picks with the store's logo, which are quite thick and of a good quality. The package also included some Love Is chewing gum, a sticker and a magnet with the store's logo. Overall, I'm really happy with my purchase and the little extras that came with it. Since there is only one music store in my city and it's quite difficult for me to visit, online ordering is a great option for me. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and share your thoughts in the comments. Keep rocking!